Hello, boys and girls, and the rest. Yes. Um, I'm never good at starting these things. Um, Here's a tutorial on how to make danmaku cards using GIMP. I sound exasperated because this is my second time recording it, because last time I forgot to switch off my webcam onto my screen, and so it was just me talking at nothing for half an hour. Great. It wasn't half an hour, but it felt like half an hour. So if you use my template, then it looks like that. This. If you're not, then this video might not be very helpful, but watch it anyway. To start off, you have, when you open it, it probably looks like this. And then you've got these three boxes. Essentially, this is, hey, what kind of fucking card do you want to make? So you just click that to make it visible, and then you click this to open it, so you can select what parts of it you want to use. Do you want a single or double description? Do you want, how many points do you want the card to be? What season do you want the card to be? And where do you want your type bubbles to be? Fucking all over the place. Cool. You just turn those on, and then you open the type icons, and then you slap one of these, whichever one fits. Or if you find that none of these combinations fit, then you use the other file that I've provided, which I have right here. Just straight up drag that in, and then you use this crop tool to grab the icon that you want. You just drag around it, make sure you grab all of it, and then you hit enter, and you can just move it to be wherever the fuck you want to be, and you can use the arrow keys to fine tune where it is. That's about right. Yeah, make sure to save as and not save, because then you'll save over your template, and usually you can recover from that. Sometimes you can't, and the times that you can't is the times that you'll feel really fucking bad about it. So, hey. Character works sort of the same as any of these, except that it obviously doesn't have a point value, and it doesn't have as many separate parts. It's just one big swath of the background card, right? That's it. If you want to use different icons, you need to overlay them with essentially a copy of this first. As you can see, this is just a blue sphere. It's the same color as that. I can prove it by just zooming in. See, same color. So you just take this thing, shrink it down, put it there, and you're Gucci. Let me just move that back. Yeah, you can just copy things by just saying copy and then paste. And then it's a floating selection, and then you just say, make that a new layer, and then you can move that around and put it wherever you want to. Great. Yes, and then you just delete the layer once you're done demonstrating the concept. I mean, there's not really much more to demonstrate. I think. I don't know. If you have any questions, leave them down below or just at me. And title, text.